Conjugation of the verb to exercise in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I exercise. 2. Simple past, I exercised. 3. Simple future, I will exercise. 4. Present continuous, I am exercising. 5. Past continuous, I was exercising. 6. Future continuous, I will be exercising. 7. Present perfect, I have exercised. 8. Past perfect, I had exercised. 9. Future perfect, I will have exercised. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been exercising. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been exercising. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been exercising. Conjugation of the verb to exercise. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it exercises. 2. Simple past. He, she or it exercised. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will exercise. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is exercising. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was exercising. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be exercising. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has exercised. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had exercised. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have exercised. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been exercising. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been exercising. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been exercising. Conjugation of the verb to exercise. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they exercise. 2. Simple past. You, we or they exercised. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will exercise. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are exercising. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were exercising. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be exercising. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have exercised. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had exercised. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have exercised. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been exercising. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been exercising. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been exercising. Verb to exercise forms. Present simple I, you, we, they exercise. He, she, it exercises. Past simple exercised. Past participle exercised. Ing form exercising.